Good morning, students. Today's topic is structure of heart. The human circulatory system consists of a muscular and four-chamber heart. Muscular and four-chamber heart. This 1, 2, 3, 4. Four-chamber heart and a muscular structure. And next, the heart is a mesodermal derived organ. So it is origin from the mesoderm and it is present in thoracic cavity. It is present in thoracic cavity in between the lungs and slightly turned to left. And its size is clenched fist. So first of all, the heart is a mesodermal origin present in the thoracic cavity in between the lungs and slightly turned to the left. So its size is a clenched fist. Okay, so the heart is protected by double layer membrane. The heart is protected by double layer membrane. So outer layer is the parietal. So outer one is the parietal membrane. And inner layer is the, and this one is the inner, and inner layer is the visceral membrane. So outer is the parietal and inner is the visceral. So the parietal pericardium contains two layers. Outer membrane contains two layers. So fibrous and serous membranes. Fibrous and serous membranes. Okay, see this. So this one is the heart structure roughly, but the heart covered by double folded membrane. So outer membrane is parietal pericardium and inner one is visceral pericardium. So the parietal membrane, it is the outer membrane. It contains two layers. It also contains two layers. So first one fibrous and second one serous. Fibrous membrane and serous membrane. And the narrow space between the two layers. So outer visual and inner visual, outer parietal. So the space between the parietal and visual is called the pericardial cavity. The space between the two layers. So this is the narrow space between the outer membrane and inner membrane. So that is the pericardial cavity. The pericardial cavity is filled with pericardial fluid. So this fluid acts as a shock absorber. It acts as a shock absorber. Okay, so the heart wall is covered by, heart is protected by double folded membrane. So outer is the parietal pericardium, inner is the visual pericardium. And outer pericardium contains two layers, fibrous and serous, and inner membrane, visual membrane. A narrow space between outer and inner layers, so that the space is called the pericardial cavity, and it is filled with pericardial fluid, and it acts as a shock absorber. And next, the wall of heart is covered by mainly three layers. The wall of heart is covered by three layers. First one is epicardium, and second one is myocardium, and third one is endocardium. Epicardium, myocardium, endocardium. So epicardium is the outer layer of the heart. Myocardium is the middle layer of the heart. And endocardium is the inner layer of the heart. Inner layer of the heart. Next, the myocardium is made up of cardiac muscle. Myocardium is made up of cardiac muscle, and epicardium and endocardiums are made up of squamous epithelium. Simple squamous epithelium. Simple squamous epithelium. And next, the main features of the heart. The main features of the heart. Features of the heart. First one, atria. Second one, ventricle. Third one, arches. Fourth one, nodes. So atria, what is atria?